It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Both of you have children.
Yes.
You probably have played in the snow with them lots.
Not in a long time, thank God, but yes.
Well, this question is from Madison in 40 Ford, and that's what she's doing. She said her child was hurt when a snow fort built in a public park collapsed on them, and she's not sure if it was built by the park or other kids. So what could she do?
Some investigation work. We would have to really look into this some more because I don't like it at all. There's definitely some assumption of the risk with regard to going into the fort, especially if you didn't know who built it, or how safe it was, or how long it was up. Was it melting? I mean, there's a lot of factors that would go into this analysis. But I think this would be a really, really hard case. What do you think, Greg?
This is one of the strangest questions we've ever gotten.
It might be.
I gotta be honest with you. That's a law school fact pattern. Yeah, I mean, public park. In the middle of winter, someone builds a snow, you walk into it, and I don't see it.
No.
I mean, if a bunch of 10-year-olds built it, what are we going to hold them accountable because they didn't adequately design it? I don't like the case. I mean, it's terrible. I mean, and it kind of goes back to some of the stuff we're talking about when you're in a park. Be careful. These are dangerous places. This is a similar situation. I think it's one of those things, did you go in there? Did you assume the risk? And I don't know. I don't like the case. I think it's...
A jury would.
No, God, no.
A jury wouldn't like it either.
No, we're trying to think about how we can get money for you. But no, a jury would not like this case. And I think that, at the end of the day, when we meet with people, that's the analysis we do. Will a jury find for us? And it's, from a risk management standpoint, I'm not taking that case.
If you want your questions answered, just visit the websites or give the hotline a call.